Hello, I'm Andrew Lau. I enrolled in the part-time Juris Doctor program at the Chinese University in 2012 when I was working as a full-time TV journalist. Since graduating in 2016, I have moved on to the PCLL program, after which I intend to launch a second career as a barrister. My journey into law began with the famous Congo case. In June 2011, when I was still a young reporter, I was sent to cover the decision at the Court of Final Appeal. As soon as I was given the 200-page judgment, my producer asked me to explain it on air. Now, given that I had no exposure to either the law or court reporting at the time, it was not surprising that I panicked and embarrassed myself in front of hundreds and thousands of viewers on live television. After the experience, I pulled myself together and studied the judgment carefully. The judge's legal reasoning piqued my intellectual curiosity. This led me to enroll and subsequently graduate from the part-time Juris Doctor program. The best part about studying law part-time was getting to keep my job. I kept my whole salary while getting my legal education moving. It was a win-win situation. However, the worst part was also getting to keep my job. When I was not working, I was studying. I studied in the morning before going to work. I studied after coming home at night. I studied through lunch and dinner. I studied on the commute to and from work. I studied on weekends. Basically, I had to use all the time I had just to keep up with readings and to prepare notes. I'd be lying if I told you there was no difficulty of juggling work and school. However, I was very fortunate to have a very supportive employer who was willing to accommodate my class schedule. Now that I've graduated, I intend to become a barrister specializing in public law. While working in journalism, I noticed there's a surge of public law cases because people are increasingly resorting to our courts for social justice and for social change. There's a need for more advocates to help maintain the balance between the interests of the individual and our society. My background in journalism will put me in a good position to analyze the law and its relationship with society. I'm confident that the skills and knowledge that I acquired from the JD program will help me take on future challenges. Studying law part-time is tough, but doable as long as you remain committed, manage your time well, and most importantly, put in the required effort. Nothing beats hard work. Stay on top of things and you'll succeed. If I can do it, you can too.